Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming support and gathering what you need. Open Settings, tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan. This starts the activation flow. If you have a carrier QR code, choose Use QR code and scan it with the camera. If the carrier provided an activation code or sent an SMS, use the Enter Details manually option. Do this now because once the plan is recognized, the iPad downloads the ESIM profile automatically and prepares the line. Once the ESIM profile is installed, you configure how it behaves. Tap the new plan in Settings Cellular to label it. This prevents confusion when you have two lines. Make sure you set which line is default for voice and which for cellular data. This affects iMessage, FaceTime, and app data usage. If you travel, enable data roaming only on the plan that supports it to avoid surprise costs. Also, check that Wi-Fi calling and VO LTE settings match your to complete setup, restart the iPad and confirm the carrier name and signal appear. Then test calls, SMS, and cellular data. Open Safari to load a page and send an iMessage. If activation fails, remove the ESIM from Settings Cellular and add it again. Often a retry resolves provisioning hiccups. If problems persist, contact your carrier with the ICSID or activation code. If nothing else works, reset network settings, but make sure you have Wi-Fi passwords and ESIM info saved first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.